Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a professional landscaping estimate using TallyDoc, which is an easy to use invoice and estimate generator that anyone can use. To get started, first we'll need an account to log in. We already did this in a previous video, so make sure to check out our Getting Started series. You just click the sign up button. So in this case, we already have an account, so we'll click the login button. We'll log in to our fictional account called Clean Landscapes. And the first thing we want to do to get started creating an estimate is go to the estimates section by clicking the link on the left. You click the new estimate button. This estimate we're going to create for our customer called Jane Thomas. And after talking to Jane, it looks like she wants some lawn mowing and mulching, so we'll add a couple line items, one for lawn mowing, and average price in this area is going to be $50 a cut. So I'll put 50 for the rate. This will include edging and cleanup. Put that in the line item notes. Add another row for mulching. This won't be as expensive. We'll say it's about $25 an hour. So we'll just put 25 for the rate, 1 hour. And then if we want to get really itemized, you can add a row for supplies. In this case, we'll charge her for the actual bags of mulch. We'll say they're $5 a bag, and we're going to use 10 bags. We'll put in the line item notes that these are for the bags of mulch. There's no shipping for this. I'll put 0 to keep things simple. We won't add any tax. And we'll just put a note that say this is valid for 30 days. And Jane can contact us for more questions. Save. That's it. We have our estimate. We can take a look at the details by clicking on the magnifying glass. Here it is. We can now send this to Jane by clicking the send email button, or you can click the PDF button like so, and this will open up a PDF version. If you prefer to download this or print it out, you can do that way. But that's it. If you want to make any changes, you can go back to the estimate section, click the edit icon, and make any changes, and click the save button again. Your total will be generated for you automatically, as well as a new number for this estimate. And that's it. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos like this.